Afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
I am Marbet Balboa, 34 years old, married, and I have 3 children.
How old are your 3 children?
Ages 9, 7, and 3.
Okay, if you come to Singapore, who will take care of your 3 children?
I'm mom, my relatives, and my sister.
How about
And
your
my husband also.
Okay, your husband also. Your husband
Yes.
working as what?
As a driver, mom.
Okay. Your relatives are still healthy. How old are
Yes, ma'am. As a 43 years old, and my sister was 25 years old.
they? So they can take care of your children, no
Yes,
problem.
ma'am. No problem.
Okay. So you have any working experience?
I here in the Philippines, ma'am, work for 2 years as a housemaid, last 2007 and 2009.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities?
Yes, ma'am, as a housemaid here in the Philippines, I will do cleaning the house, and then washing the clothes, and then ironing, yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many adults and how many children?
Yes, ma'am, we have adult and children then also.
How many children?
3 children, but more bigger na, bigger.
Okay. How old are they?
15 and 17 and 13 years old, or maybe 9.
Okay. So why do you want to come to Singapore?
I want to go in Singapore because I want to help my family and their needs, and then help also my husband.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.